Hi friends, this is Jeevan. Okay friends, today we'll see about what will happen in 2050. What are the symptoms? Not what are the symptoms. What are the thing there is and what will happen in 5 years and to 2050. This is an predictions and researching more than companies and top 10 rich men's also researching this kind of things. Today we will see what will happen in 2050. Okay, before that please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Okay, today we will go to our video. Okay, the first point, the robotics will hide the robotic to work in our houses. The apartment, one apartment, okay, in that apartment 50 robots minimum it will there for our daily working, for vessel washing and washing clothes and more than things, cleaning our house and so much things in our now in our houses they are doing to cleaning our houses and doors and windows, to using the windows and this kind of things. They will full and fully robotics in this thing. Okay, this is a thing, there is a main thing. Okay, the robots will not occupy in 2050. Okay, before that subscribe to our channel, subscribe please. Okay, today we'll see about what will happen in 2050. Okay, the second point, it is the music. You are listening a music in your house or any places in the earth. Okay, before that the music directors who have creating that musics and who are creating that musics and the musics of 2050 is only robotic softwares. Only the softwares will occupy the music. Okay, the music, okay, full and music it will take of occupy of robots, full and full. We are listening that music of that, what I want to say, they will do the music in 2050. This is a short note of second point. The third point, okay, you know the pets in now. Okay, after 2050 the pets will there but it not. Okay, I will tell what it is. It is the pet with robotic. When we are petting our dog or cat or any animals, okay, in 2050 will react same like now we have, which we have same like that. It will also attract us, and when we are doing sit it will sit and it will understand what we are telling and will do that kind of things. This is main thing happen in that situation. Okay, next fourth thing. Okay, this is an important thing in that richest man. Okay, the roads, the main transportations of any world, main transportation is road. This road will not in earth, top layer of earth, means where it is going on flight or navy, no thing. Okay, it is something, it will go full and fully underground roads. Now also we can see so much tunnels and working tunnels and so much top 10 tunnels. We have so much things in our world, in our earth. This is a thing, the main thing for transportation. We are transporting mainland main in this kind of things. Okay, it will change. It is a fourth thing. Okay, full and fully, for example, for Mumbai to Chennai. Okay, Mumbai to Chennai will normally take, for example, normally take 5 hours, will go in 3 hours. Okay, this kind of using of the tunnels, the road and the tunnels. After the fifth thing, okay, we are seeing our cars. I think so much can take this. Okay, in 2050 the cars full and fully electric, no 0% of diesel and petrol. It will only one thing, it is natural, means electric. Okay, these electric cars will attract in that. Okay, and these cars is the top of world. In our house we can charge it. It can take so much. It will alive with one time battery of 1 day or 2 days. Can go easily, and it can automatically it can go for here America to Canada. It is a transportation without any border. If we want to give the card, it will give the card in our front of our car. It will only scan and we can go in with the road, Canada to America. This kind of things it will come. Okay, and the next thing it is, okay, the taxis. You can see so much taxis now, not taxis, cab. Okay, in 2050 full and fully air transportation of taxis or cab. If you called any taxis, will come from flight, like an flight with going for 4 members. This kind of or circling. When we are seeing the same car, this kind of seaters will there in that top. Okay, this kind of things with here thing with for taxis. This can full and fully we can see top. We can see this full and fully taxis. It will go like an taxis. Okay, this is the thing in that time. Okay, the next thing, when you are going to the shop, you can take anything from that. Okay, and you can come. That's all. No payment. You cannot think like that. What are the things you are taking to can going? It will scan in that camera and take automatically from your debit card or credit card. Okay, full and fully digital. You cannot wait for 1 second. It will automatically scan. It will take the result. Okay, in that time no storing is there. Okay, the next point, the sixth point, not seventh point. It is still 5 points. Seventh point, it is when you are the apartment. In that apartment, the full and fully, okay, the apartment, it can move from one place to another place, because we are in the season. We want to prevent that season. Because of it, this kind of things are there in our world. This thing is not real. I think it's not real. Okay, I will cancel it the point and we'll go the real seventh point. Hospitals. You are going to one hospital. How we can go? You have lost your brain, means you have forget anything. You don't have in your mind anything. Okay, and you cannot. You are coming out and you are seeing in window. You are in here. The flying hospitals will there in that time. Okay, why they are telling like that? Because in that time emergencies can be anywhere. because of it they are telling like that. So much research also doing like that. Okay, and you can move from there to there. There is a rocket jet ambulance will be there in that time. The big researchers are telling this. Okay, next point. Morning when you are get up, you will do the first thing is brush. It is not there in 2050. Want to gobble and throw it, that's all. In that time, in that thing, what are the chemicals they are using? It will attack that germs and it will take it out. This is a thing they are telling that 8th point it is. Okay, top 15. Okay, in that 8th point, this is something you can, what is this? Okay, you want to take 5 seconds to brush and you can clean your mouth very faster. Okay, the next and the interesting 9th thing, it is when you are get up in, you are mood of, it is a thing of your memories will stored in like an avatar film. Okay, in that tree it will save our storages. Okay, our storage will be saved in that computer. You can save your with that kind of machines with which we have in our head. We can put in our head and we can store our data in our laptop. What the thing it is. Okay, I cannot believe this kind of things. Okay, and the 10th point, we are playing our games now, also researched and they are telling that something. Okay, this is the 10th point. Okay, you are in the game, when you are keeping like that it will also punch. When you are driving your car it will also drive. Okay, GTA 5 can in the world of GTA 5 this kind of thing how will be. Okay, the 11th point, now we are seeing our TVs. In the 2050 the wall will be the TV, your house will be the theater. This kind of things will be do in 2050. Okay, your wall is normal getting like that colors you can keep. Okay, your wall is full and fully black, you will change the color and you can TV show and you watch movies with your family. This kind of things will happen in this 2050, the 12th point. Okay, you are seeing the pumpkin and the strawberry. Okay, in that time the corporate companies which have the corporate companies, they will put apple, potato, pumpkin, watermelon full and fully, and they are telling that pumpkin will come apple size, strawberry will come apple size, all equal sizes will happen in that generation 2050. Okay, not generation. Okay, for serving in our plates, this kind of things will easy because of it the corporate companies are doing like that. But now the one farm it is strawberry, the one full and fully one farmers it is potato, the onion. These kind of things are there now. I can not believe this also. How it is? Come, we will see in 2050, 2021. We can see what will be. I want to see that. Okay, and the next and the thing is that 12th. Okay, this is something of 12th. Okay, when you are driving your car, you can see full and fully 3D, full and fully 3D house. Okay, 3D house, you are full and fully, you can sleep in your car and you can see what you want, what you are thinking, it will come in the car's up. this kind of things will come, and the cars will be stronger than now, 15% stronger than now. Okay, this is one thing, the 12th thing. And the 13th thing, when we are in night. Okay, this is all the night. Okay, in this night the new sun has created, how will be with our moon orbit. Nice, no? This is the massive and the very very important point. Okay, the world will be, the second sun will create in our world. This is a new and big thing in our thing. Okay, you can imagine that the second sun, because now is so much electricity loss and so much things are there, because of it the predictions is there of second moon. They are creating that big. Now China also researching this thing. Okay, the 14th point. Okay, and this is also the important thing. Okay, the sun, and we have the solar systems rate very very costly. Okay, the solar system, in that time it will be costly, because the sunlight will minus than now. Okay, the time will be minus than now. Some researchers also tell this. Okay, this is an 14 things, it is an predictions, that's all. Okay, disclaimer, it is an only predictions. Okay, and the 15th thing is the drone. What is the drone? We can put camera, we can see what is the things. This is a camera, but in 2050 the main transportation for goods like Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, this kind of things is a main thing, drone. The bigger size like hair balloons, this kind of things, this kind of size the drone will come. Okay, so much interesting. I want to see that how it is, we don't know. Okay, this is at 15th point, and this is our end of our video. Until then, bye from. Before that, if you want to earn money, I get the video link, you can see that, and with the small investment of 55 rupees you can earn money. This is our end of our video. Until then, bye from Jeevan.